Hey friends, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Michelle and welcome. I'm excited to share today's video because it's the first video of my Christmas series of some great videos to come of everything Christmas. This video is one of my favorites because it is the first thing that I go to every morning when I grab a cup of coffee, so I know I'll get to enjoy it every morning throughout the season, and it will bring me so much joy and Christmas spirit. So I will be incorporating both coffee and hot cocoa just because it makes it easier and it's all in one place. I started this last year and it went over really well. So grab a cup of coffee or cocoa and enjoy this video. If you like everything Christmas as much as I do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also consider subscribing because I have a bunch more exciting videos coming soon, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. So without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So I went ahead and moved some things around. I usually have the coffee and cocoa bar on my kitchen counter, but this year I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I went ahead and moved this rolling cart on my accent wall, which also happens to be red. How fitting. But I really love the way it turned out, and I love the fact that I have everything in one place. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and also if you decorate a coffee or cocoa bar in your home.
We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
These spice jars that I had from Target worked out perfectly for the toppings for my cocoa bar. And then I'm just going to go ahead and leave the refills down on the second shelf, which I will show you guys in a moment, in a gingerbread bin that I picked up from Michael's, and it looks so cute.
Every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas.
You guys, I love these beads so much, but they drive me crazy. I think it's because I'm such a perfectionist. I have to get them just right. So you don't know how long this clip was. Thank goodness for fast forwarding.
Sing along to the song.
Here is that cute gingerbread bin that I talked about before that I picked up from Michael's, and it worked out perfectly for what I wanted to use it for. On the shelf below, just for the cocoa bombs, the cute little elf on the shelf mug, the marshmallows, and the candy when I need to refill it. Everything is in one place. And now I'm just going to place a few more decor items on each side, and then I'll show you guys how it turned out.
We'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas is a joy.
Believe it or not, I picked up this garland from the Dollar Tree, and it's a really long piece, so I just folded it in half, and it made it a little bit thicker looking. And I bought a pack of red bows, also from the Dollar Tree. And then I went ahead and just kind of draped it I put command hooks on my cart and kind of just drape the garland, and then a bow on each end, and then these cute little wreath clips on the garland as well. And here's how it turns out. I really am happy with it, and the kids love it as well. So I also wanted to create a little space for my Keurig cups and some few other items that I had left over without taking up so much room on the counter. But I had this Let It Snow wooden basket, and I just kind of turned it on its side, and I thought that looked super cute. And I put Santa's plate with these bottle brush trees. There's my Keurig coffee cups, another mug, and then that little cute candy cane sign. And then I just put the sugar bowl there, and then just a few more items. See, it didn't take up too much space. I really think it's cute, and it was the finishing touch to the kitchen. And then I just stuck one of those wreath clips in the middle. Now I'm going to show you a super cute and easy Dollar Tree DIY that I made. So all you're going to need is a box of taper candles. I used red, 2 boxes of candy canes, some ribbon and some bows. And you just want to form the candy canes around the candle, secure it with a piece of tape, and then put your ribbon. And then just go ahead and stick on a bow. I, for the life of me, tried to tie the ribbon into a bow. It just did not work out. So I luckily had these cute little plaid bows, and I just stuck it on with some crazy glue. Look how adorable this is. I love the way this turns out. Just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we could stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. So here's how they both turned out. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place them on my stove on this new noodle board that I got, that I just love. I placed that cute little gingerbread teapot in the middle. So I hope that you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to give it a like, and please subscribe. I'm going to have a lot more Christmas videos to come, and I'll see you guys again real soon in my next one.